Hello, this is Chad with Syncfusion, and a customer has a question about our React drop-down control. So let's take a look at it. And here's the customer question. They want to change the color of the focus border of the filtering area in our drop-down list control. And the customer gave us a nice pretty picture. I can't show their picture, but I put in mine. So this red line here is what the customer wants to change. That is the focus border. So let's take a look at the sample we sent. And here is the code. I'm starting in JavaScript today. It is React. We're importing our controls. We have defined some data. We've created some fields. We've added our control to the project, into the JavaScript here. Now, a couple things. We have a placeholder is pick a country, and the filter bar placeholder is search a country. Allow filtering is true and all that. If I click on the control, we have a green line right here. I've changed the color to be green because I could. And this is the line that the customer wants to change. And if you look at this, you have the filter bar placeholders here. This is the filter bar, and then up here is just for the control itself. So let's see how that works. Here it is. Now, this is where all the work happens. This is all the logic to change that. And this is also the reason why when somebody comes to me and says, hey, Chad, let's talk about CSS, I do my best to walk the other way. So if you go through all the CSS and you change the color here, let's do this, the bar is now red. So I gave you the code. It is just that easy. But let's take a look at the help. Here is our help topic for the React drop-down list control. And if you go through this, you will see all of these CSS elements that we can use, or you can import, or you can actually use to customize, to change the color of whatever that piece is. So go through this if you need to make changes, go through this help page. And if you can't find it or you can't figure it out, create a ticket, say what you're doing, and then take a picture of how you want the final result to look. A picture is better than any amount of words. So that was it. We solved the customer question. Thank you very much for watching.